My barber setup in the basement. This is most of my equipment. Clipper, trimmer, combs, guards. I have some brushes, clips, water spray, shears, cape, blow dryer, and then some sprays and stuff. And then I got a plastic chair over here, got a mirror, and this is where I usually put the phone to record. And that's basically it. I got a little trash can where I put the hair. I'll go more in depth with the equipment in the next video.
They say it's not how you start, but it's how you finish. 15. This is a decent little setup for 15 years old. I could tell he's passionate about it. I remember when I was 15. Oh man, I can remember the clippers I had. I had me some Conairs, and some walls from Walmart. The ones you could get for like $25, $30. Man, I was gonna do everything with that 1-2 clipper combo, like everything. And it was a similar setup, this bring me back to back in the day, At 15, I'm pretty sure he's not licensed, so I'm giving him some grace with how his equipment is sitting aside. But it looks like he's passionate, and at 15 years old, just like he just enjoying every part of the game, figuring it out. I want to see what if he sticks with it, because 15 years old is a young age. But if he stick with it, I want to see what his station and his setup look like 5 years from now. And I want to see what this cut look like 5 years from now. Because he got 1 trimmer, 1 clipper, guards, combs, and he's still getting his feet wet. But this be the most beautifulest part of the game when you're so new, because you're willing to learn and try so many new things. But once you get 11 years in, 20, 30 years in, you kind of get stuck in your ways, and you're not really into getting all the new clippers and trying different techniques to see which one really works best for you. Man, this is cool stuff right here. Jung Blends, keep it going. 15-year-old barber setup. Man, let me know what y'all think about his setup down below. It's FadeMasterLos.